Me personally, that's like cause we drink tequila.
What's this, vodka?
Vodka. Yeah, that's it. You know, your ass, they out do the lightweight. That motherfucker get lit off one shot.
And?
No cap.
And?
Little ad, you talk about me. This thing. Let me guess. Small things for giant.
No, I just don't like finishing drinks.
Yeah, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Like imagine, hold on. Imagine them watching this right. They're like, damn, them just don't fuck with all shit.
That's what I'm saying. It's kind of tough. But I can lie, I said I didn't fuck with it, but he turned back and turned it into a whole promo video. It was crazy.
But look though, they
Linen Alino donated $3.